Hi everybody and welcome back to episode 172 of Enter Crypto, where twice a day I keep you informed and fully up to date on all things crypto. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then subscribe to the channel. I put out a new video every 12 hours. So today we're going to be talking about Ben GOERTZEL's article from Cointelegraph's Future of Money. It's titled "Cryptocurrency Miners Are Leading the Next Stage of AI." A globally distributed AI network that relies on mining rigs will be difficult for governments to control, according to Dr. Ben GOERTZEL. So as always, let's read the article and we'll comment along the way and have final remarks after. As artificial intelligence rapidly works its complex magic on one sector of the economy after another, there is an increasingly pressing need for compute resources to power all this machine intelligence. Training a model like ChatGPT costs more than $5 million, and running the early ChatGPT demo, even before usage increased to its current level, costs OpenAI around $100,000 per day. And AI is more than just text generation. Applying AI to practical problems across multiple industries requires similar large neural models trained on a diversity of data types: medical, financial, customer information, geospatial, and so forth. Moving beyond the limitations of current neural net AI towards systems with higher levels of artificial general intelligence will almost surely be even more compute intensive. It's only natural that a small but increasing number of crypto miners are now looking at how to leverage their own compute infrastructures to help push forward the AI revolution. Bitcoin mining remains a lucrative business. Mining other cryptocurrencies can still make money as well, but it is a rapidly shifting landscape. Ether miners, for instance, took a major hit late last year when the Ethereum network shifted from proof of work to proof of stake. The economic and technical situation in the crypto space over the last 2 years has driven an increasing number of crypto mining organizations to explore the potential of leveraging their facilities for other purposes, such as high-performance computing, and in particular AI. The specific computing hardware needed for high-performance computing, or HPC, or AI processing is often different from what's optimal for crypto mining. But buying servers is generally not the most difficult part of setting up a mining farm. Getting the electrical power and cooling and security and other physical infrastructure in place is a major cost and effort, and all this remains roughly the same whether one is hosting RAM-light GPUs appropriate for ETH mining, or RAM-heavy GPUs appropriate for AI model learning. Mining firm Hut 8 has led the way, leveraging its formerly mining dedicated compute facilities for machine learning and other HPC applications. Hive blockchain has been doing the same thing for some time, filling its servers with processor cards that can be used for cloud computing and AI applications, and rendering for engineering applications, in addition to scientific modelling of fluid dynamics. Perhaps most interesting is the potential for miners to shift their compute resources to AI in a way that remains fully within the blockchain space, by using them to run AI processes that are hosted in decentralized blockchain-based networks. This opportunity is provided by a number of AI projects associated with their own altcoins, such as Fetch.ai, Ocean, Matrix, Cortex, and my own project SingularityNet, ticker AGIX. It's actually on Cardano, that I believe. And its various ecosystem projects, such as NewNet and the new ledgerless blockchain Hypercycle. AI-related altcoins have done well in the first part of 2023 as the market has come to understand the potential for decentralized AI software. It has been clear since before Bitcoin's white paper that the fusion of distributed computing, strong encryption, and decentralized control has broad applications beyond the financial. This is why we have blockchain projects in areas spanning nearly all vertical markets: medicine, supply chain, gaming, robotics, and so on. As each of these business domains becomes dominated by AI, decentralizing the software and hardware underlying AI will be a critical aspect of decentralizing the global economy. Repurposing of a portion of crypto mining hardware to running AI processing, some of which is wrapped in AI-oriented crypto networks, will increasingly form part of the story. If a non-trivial portion of global AI processing ends up being done in on crypto mining facilities, this could have implications beyond finance. Crypto mining rigs are based in diverse legal jurisdictions and owned by a variety of different parties. A globally distributed AI network spread across crypto mining rigs would be dramatically more difficult for governments or other parties to centrally control than an AI network centered in big tech-owned server farms, the current default for AI. Whether this is good or bad AI ethics-wise depends on your estimate of the character of big tech and big government. So artificial intelligence, this is interesting because this really gets everybody's imagination going, doesn't it? And whether it's good or bad, or whether, look at this picture of what looks like Star Trek, a scene from Star Trek where he's sort of attaching something to somebody's brain. And that's what we all get, and that we're sort of worried that if we advance enough into artificial intelligence and sort of machine learning, is there going to be a point where we're not going to be able to switch it off? And could this machine value its own life and maybe turn against us? Who knows? But I'm sure they're gonna. Well, you would hope that they will put some kind of kill switch in the robot itself, or certainly in the programming of the AI in the first place. But either way, it's I think once you start learning about cryptocurrency, especially the interchain protocols like Cosmos, Polkadot, Cardano, Ethereum, and you start looking at AI as well, they really do go hand in hand. You can see how they will all work really well together, even though they have nothing to do with each other other than computing. They really don't function in any way similar to each other, but it's a bit like when you see philosophy, when you study philosophy and you study physics separately. They're two completely different things, but when you really go into detail, you start seeing places where they overlap, and it's kind of like that in a strange way. So it'll be this is going to be so interesting. I don't know how long this narrative is going to last in crypto as far as the price is concerned and the AI tokens, but one thing I did think, even last year, I thought this was going to be a narrative that's just waiting to pop, and it has. So how long it's going to go on, I don't know, but I think another one that could end up coming up this year is robotics. There's a lot of, there isn't a lot actually, but there's a significant amount of robotic tokens in crypto. I can think of one on Polkadot called Robonomics, and if that becomes I don't hold any, actually I should disclose, but it's one of those things where if we get some news where AI and robotics meet, I don't know, something where it becomes popular, a bit like this ChatGPT has gone a bit viral, and if we get something where they put ChatGPT in one of the Boston Dynamics robots or something like that, then we could have another narrative going off. So maybe a potential to earn make some money that way. But yeah, very interesting. I think we can all agree. So that's what I've got for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Remember, everybody, to please subscribe to the channel, join my team, and I'll keep you updated on all things crypto every 12 hours. Don't forget to smash the like button if you feel you got value from this video, and I'll see you all in 12 hours time.